That side fan, can you switch off? That is making sound. Okay, now let's see this one. So here this is called as point of inflation. Where it is you are not going to get any plus and minus differences you are not getting. That is considered as point of inflation. Where the curve is taking the extreme value, it will be called as point of critical point. What it will be considered as critical point. So last class already we have discussed now. So where we are going to talk about this one graph just now only I have drawn here. Again I am drawing. This point will be exactly beta f dash a. This point is considered as the critical point. What it will be? Critical point. This point can be considered as what? Critical. Here f dash x will be greater than 0, and this part is f dash x will be exactly what? Less than f dash x will be less 0. Got it? So here this is f dash a, correct na? F dash x is exactly greater than exactly equal to 0. This section will be written as equal to 0. So this is maxima. So this side is f dash x greater than 0. So we will write it as plus. And here f dash x is less than 0. So it will be written as minus. Understood? So plus this side and minus this side. So for maximum, local maximum, left neighborhood and right neighborhood. We can talk it about here as left neighborhood, and we can talk here about as right neighborhood. So when we talk about left neighborhood, it will be plus, and right neighborhood, it will be considered as minus. So left minus and plus. Same opposite if we will be starting. If opposite part, sorry, did you join the class beta? So if opposite we are going to join, opposite we are going to write here, then we will be drawing like this. So here you might be seeing that this point will be considered as f dash x will be what beta? F dash x will be less than or greater than? F dash x will be here less than 0, decreasing. So we will consider it as minus. And here this part will be what beta? F dash x will be greater than 0, increasing. So it will be considered as plus. So here minus and plus is there. So this point again will become the critical point. F dash a will be equal to 0. Tanish, you are not there in the group. It will be equal to 0. So f dash x less than 0, f dash x greater than 0. So this is the most important part we are understanding about maxima and minima. So we will start solving the questions for related to local maxima and minima. And also I talked about that the tangent line will be parallel to which axis? X-axis. The tangent line will be parallel to x-axis. Inflation point also we discussed, and we discussed about critical point. So let's start. First order derivative related questions we are going to solve now. First order, this from this section, first order derivative related questions we are going to solve. So now first order derivative, first question I am solving. Let's see. We know that for solving first order derivative, we must have one very important point, that f dash x. Understood? We have to find, means first we have to differentiate it, and then we have to make, to find the critical points, we have to make it equal to 0, and then plus minus and minus plus we have to search. Understood? So three basic sections we have to do. Sorry, good evening beta. So now one by one we will solve the question. I'm going to solve our first question, and I'm going to teach you how to solve these type of questions. Okay? Shilek Lakshmi, Shivaranjani. Okay. Again, name wrong. She will punch me one day. Now look here, beta. Question is f of x is equal to, write the question, x cube, all the basics I'm going to teach, x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 8 is there. Done? Now beta, x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 8. First work is we have to differentiate it. So let's differentiate it out. F dash x will be 3x, x cube will become 3x square. 6x square will become 12x plus 9. Done? After writing this much, what we will do? We have to, f dash x is exactly, we can write 3 common, x square minus 4x plus 3. Now beta x f dash x means here it is coming as what? We will do middle split x square minus 3x minus x plus 3. Now beta f dash x will be exactly written as what? 3. We can take x common. What it is coming? X minus 3 minus 1 x minus 3. So now total f dash x is coming as what beta? 3 x minus 1 and x minus 3. Till here done? Till here noted? Jayashree joined. Very good, beta. Super. So, Jayashree, look here, beta. First, f of x I have differentiated. Understood? And beta, for local maxima minima, to point left hand and right hand, we are going to check. First, what we are going to do here is we just differentiated. After differentiation, beta, we have to check the examine. We have to examine the local maxima or minima. That time, beta, we need to do what? We need to make f dash x is equal to 0 to get the points. So what are the points coming, beta? So now we have to make f dash x is equal to 0. The moment we have made f dash x is equal to 0, what are the 2 points we are getting? 1 and 3. Done. So now we are going to draw 1 and 3 on number line. Here it is 1 and 1, 3. So the case of inequality, do you remember the case of inequality? Always this side what we are starting with? Plus, minus and plus. Now for maxima, we know one thing. Always remember, maxima means ID, increase to decrease. Understood? Maxima means increase to decrease. Our curve is like this. So increase to decrease. Increase to decrease, beta. So ID is written increase to decrease. So increase is plus to minus. Increase is where, beta? How we are going to check? Plus to minus. So left side is plus, right side is minus. Rohit, are you understanding? Left side is plus and right side is minus. So plus to minus. This section is coming plus to minus. So when we are talking about plus to minus, increase to, this is, that means what? X is equal to 1 is a case of local maxima. Why, beta? Because here you are getting plus to minus. Got it? So in the curve itself, and this one is di, decrease to increase, and decrease to increase means minus and plus. So minus and plus is coming on 3. So what we are going to write? X is equal to 1 is the point of local maxima. How, beta? Plus minus is there. Plus minus means maxima. Minus plus is minima. Okay. So maxima plus minus is maxima. So now we are going to substitute f of 1 value. Now here what is the maximum value? 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 9 into 1 minus 8. So what is coming? 1 minus 6 plus 9 minus 8. So 10 minus 14. Answer is coming as minus 4. Got it? Answer is coming as what, beta? Minus 4. But the same thing, if somebody will be giving you for the next part. So next part, now we are going to check for x is equal to 3 is the point of local minima. Why? Because it is having minus plus. Minus and plus. Decrease to increase. So when decrease to increase will be there. So now we will substitute f of 3 value. So here 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus 9 into 3 minus 8 is there. 3 3 9 27 minus 3 3 is a 9. 9 6 is 54 plus here it is coming as 27 minus 8. So 54 minus 54 minus 8. So here answer is coming as minus 8. So 1 is the point of local maxima. Its value is coming as minus 4. 3 is the point of local minima and its value is minus 8. So just check the values. Variation is coming. Okay. Now we'll go for the next one. So see, you must remember plus to minus is plus to minus. The number, the critical point which is coming between plus to minus will give you what? Maxima. Minus to plus will give you minimum. Got it? Plus to minus, maximum. Plus here, minus here. This point will give you maximum. Minus here, plus here. This point will give you minimum. Always remember. Understood? Maximum and minimum point beta. Shall we go for the next one, please? Huh? Okay. Note down. Important questions. Tomorrow school is there? Come on, we will go for the next question, please. Ready for the next question, beta? Done? Noted? Vishwa? Noted? Now look here. We will go for the next question. Next question is, note down the next question. X minus 1 whole cube f of x is equal to x minus 1 whole cube x plus 1 whole square. Now find the maximum and minimum of it. X minus 1 whole cube and x plus 1 whole square. Come on, go for it, beta. Maximum and minimum of it. Find out this one. Come on, go for it. Find the answer, please. So here we have to first differentiate it. So when you are differentiating it, how you are going to differentiate this part, beta? X minus 1 whole cube we are leaving is as it is, and we are differentiating x plus 1 whole square. Okay. Next time we are going to leave x plus 1 whole square and differentiate x minus 1 whole cube. Now beta, x minus 1 whole cube, differentiation of this one will become 2x plus 1, and here x plus 1 whole square, it will become 3x minus 1 whole square. So now we are going to take common and solve. So here 2x minus 1 whole cube and x plus 1, and here 3x plus 1 whole square and x minus 1 whole square is there. So what we will do, what is the lowest one is x plus 1. X plus 1 lowest one we took out, and x minus 1 whole square is the lowest one. What is the lowest one? Vishwa, check here beta. What is the lowest one? X minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole cube. The lowest one is which one beta? X minus 1 whole square. Taken out. What left is 2x minus 1, and here what left here is x plus 1. After getting this x plus 1 and x minus 1 whole square, it will become 2x minus 2 plus x plus 1. Come on, go for it. Sorry, 3 I have missed. Yes, 3 is there. 3 I have missed. So 3x plus 1. So it will become 3x plus 3 beta. So now x plus 1, x minus 1 whole square, 5x plus 1. So we got f dash x. After getting f dash x, okay, after getting f dash x, the next case is we have to get the critical point. F dash x must be equal to 0. So what in all points we are getting? X plus 1 will give you what? X minus 1. What will value is coming as? Minus 1. And this one will give you plus 1. But here one, you must remember that x minus 1 whole square is there. So since it is an even number, so left side and right side, there will be no change of sign. It will be always considered as plus. Okay. So here x plus 1 means x plus 1 will give minus 1. X plus 1 will give, x minus 1 will give 1. X minus 1 will give 1. And here this part is coming 5x plus, it will come as minus 1 by 5. It will come as what beta? Minus 1 by 5. Now beta, here x minus 1 whole square is there. What is there, Rohit? X minus 1 whole square. So since it is x minus, Sivaranjani, hi Sivaranjani, 3 people give attendance. X minus 1 whole square is there, means when x minus 1 whole square is there, always remember this will become the point of inflection. Left side also plus and right side also plus. Usually beta we write plus minus we writing. Understood or not? But since x minus 1 whole square is there, that point will become what beta? Both will become plus. Now after this, here you check here x minus 1 is there, huh? So we will be writing here minus and this part will become plus. Come on, check this one out. Usually we write plus minus plus minus plus minus, correct now? But here since x minus 1, the first one 1 itself, x minus 1 is having whole square. So whatever negative or positive value you will be putting, it will always give you a positive value. So what we are going to take it as point of inflection. What we are going to take it as point of inflection. So now it is having neither a point of local maxima or not a point of local minima. Understood? So 1x is equal to 1 is what? Is neither having what? It is neither having what? Neither it is a point of neither a point of local maxima or local minima. It is neither a point of local maxima or local minima. Understood? So that is point of inflection. What it is considered as? It is called as point of inflection. So x is equal to 1 is what? Is point of inflection. What it is this beta? It is point of inflection. What is this Vishwa? Point of inflection. Now we have only two things left, minus 1 and minus 1 by 3. So here always I told you, now plus 2 minus. Plus 2 minus is maxima or minima? Plus 2 minus is maxima or minima? Maxima. Plus minus. Always remember plus minus. Plus minus is maxima. So x is equal to minus 1 is a point of local maxima. Why beta? Because here this is plus and right side it is minus. So local maxima it is. Now we will substitute this value f of minus 1. In the question itself we will put minus 1 whole cube and minus 1 plus 1 whole square. So overall answer is coming as 0.